want my living power different. You can see it like this. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. This thing. The clocks. I don't know why it's clocks there, but it's quite disgusting. Then the tower, but then the pillow that's supposed to be on the couch. Thing. Peppa Pig toy I got Christmas. I got something else here. This. Be careful. The picture there, but it's around. Let me find it. I'm not going to show you the rest of them, but I'll see you later in the video.